Hi, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to Efia Journey, and today we're going to continue the tree series with Efia because it's been a while, right? So the word that we're going to learn today is how to read this right here, because a lot of people are afraid to pronounce this word and some people just butcher this word. So today we're going to learn how to say it because it's the basis, right? So most people, when they see this, they're tempted to say tree. It is not tree. No, the sound is more like a tree, 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 tree. Okay, so for instance, tree as in chewing gum, chew, chew, chew. Sorry, I need to like articulate. So tree, tree, tree. So it is tree, tree, tree. Okay, we are learning tree. Okay, so I hope that now you know how to say tree properly, and that I'm never ever gonna hear nobody say tree again. Please don't do that. When you do that, you break my heart. Okay. Tree, 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 tree. Okay, so we are learning tree. I am learning tree. Okay, I am learning tree. Okay, tree, 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 tree. Okay, read tree. So that was the word that I forgot to teach you in the very first lesson. It is very important because a lot of people are going around telling people that they're learning tree. No, you're not learning tree. You're learning tree. Tree. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the link here or in the description box for the next video. See you.